Boost your iPhone battery life with these simple settings. First, reduce background app refresh. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Select Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Set it to Wi-Fi. Disable refresh for unnecessary apps. Turn off games, shopping apps, and social media apps you rarely use. Keep important apps like messaging enabled. Turn off Always On Display. Open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Select Always On Display. Turn off the Always On Display toggle or disable Show Wallpaper. You can keep only the clock visible. You can also disable Show Notifications if preferred. This reduces unnecessary screen activity and helps save battery throughout the day. Now change your mail sync settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Select Mail. Tap Mail Accounts. Choose Fetch New Data. Turn off Push. Select Hourly Fetch or choose Every 30 minutes. This prevents constant email syncing and improves battery efficiency. Next, enable Auto Brightness. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, select Display and Text Size, scroll down and turn on Auto Brightness. Your iPhone will automatically adjust screen brightness and reduce power consumption. Now use Scheduled Notification Summary. Open the Settings app, tap Notifications, select Scheduled Summary. Turn it on. Choose the apps you want to include. Set your preferred delivery times. Then tap Turn on Notification Summary. This helps reduce unnecessary notifications throughout the day. Next, enable Adaptive Power. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, select Power Mode. Turn on Adaptive Power. Keep Low Power Mode for emergencies. Adaptive Power allows your iPhone to optimize performance automatically based on your usage patterns. Give it some time to learn your habits, usually around 7 days. Now disable Siri listening. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Siri. Select the option for talking to Siri. Disable the Hey Siri activation feature. You can use the side button instead. Your iPhone will stop constantly listening for the wake phrase, which can help save a small amount of battery over time. Next, set a charging limit. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, select Charging, choose Charge Limit. Set it to 80, 85, or 90%. Follow your iPhone recommendations if available. Your iPhone will stop charging once it reaches your selected limit. Also, enable Optimized Battery Charging. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, select Charging. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging. Your iPhone will learn your daily charging routine and reduce battery aging over time. Now, reduce haptics and vibrations. Open the Settings app, tap Sounds and Haptics, select Haptics. Choose Play in Silent Mode or select Never Play. This reduces unnecessary vibrations throughout the system. Stay in Sounds and Haptics. Tap Keyboard Feedback. Turn off Haptic. This stops vibration while typing and reduces battery usage. Go back to the Haptic Settings page. Turn off System Haptics. This reduces haptic engine activity during system interactions. Next, improve your mobile signal. Open the Settings app, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, select Cellular Data Options, tap Voice and Data. Choose LTE or 4G. This can provide a more stable connection in areas with a weak signal. If your iPhone has no signal, use airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Your iPhone will reconnect to the nearest available network. This can help restore a weak or unstable mobile signal, especially in basements, elevators, or remote areas. Finally, restart your iPhone occasionally. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the power button in the top right corner. Drag the slider to power off, wait 15 to 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary system glitches and stuck background processes. It can help fix unusual battery drain issues. And that's it.